Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add a book, an appointment option on LinkedIn. All right, so let's begin with the video. First, open LinkedIn and go to your profile. Once you are on your profile page, look for the Enhance Profile option. When you click on it, you will see LinkedIn Premium features. With Premium, you can get personalized profile suggestions from AI, add a custom button, and feature key details at the top of your profile. One of these options allows you to add a custom button like book an appointment directly on your profile. Now, if you don't have LinkedIn Premium, don't worry because there is another way to do it. On your profile page, click on the pencil icon at the top section under your banner. This will open the profile editing section. Once it opens, scroll down a little until you find the contact info section. Next, click on Edit Contact Info. Here you can add different details that people can use to contact you. You can enter your phone number and choose the phone type if needed. You can also add other information such as your address and birthday. The most important part here is adding your website link. If you have a scheduling tool like a booking page, meeting link, or interview scheduling page, you can paste that link in the website section. This will allow people to open your link and book an appointment or session with you directly. Once you have added all the necessary information, simply click Save. After saving, your contact information will appear under your bio section on your profile, usually next to your location. From there, people will be able to see your website or phone number and contact you to book an interview or meeting. And that's it. So that's basically how you can add a book, an appointment option on LinkedIn. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.